This is one of Japan's iconic fast food dishes. Gyudon, it means beef ball. You will find rice, thin slices of beef with onions, and a sauce rich in flavors. This dish is very low in fat and easy to make. I'll show you how to make a very tasty gyudon. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by cooking the short grain rice. Take 500 grams. Wash it 3 times. Put 2 cups of water. Cook it. To make the kombu broth, put 3 grams of kombu and 1 cup of water. Heat over very low fire with a lid. This seaweed is a natural enhancer. It will give the dish the umami flavor. The kombu intensely releases umami at 60 degrees Celsius. When the broth reaches 60 degrees Celsius, turn off the heat and let it infuse while preparing the other ingredients. At 60 degrees Celsius, the bottom of the pan is covered with small bubbles. I chose a slightly fatty beef rib steak because it is tasty and tender. To easily cut it into very thin slices, it must still be a little bit frozen. I took it out of the freezer and put it in the fridge the night before. Remove the bone. I will use it later to make a soup. Keep the fat to grill it and flavor the dish. Cut it into small pieces. Cut 2 onions into chunks. Mince a spring onion. Also mince 30 grams of Gari ginger. Grate 1 piece of ginger. Take 1 tablespoon. Now cook the poached eggs. Put each egg in the bowl. In a saucepan, put 1 liter of water and 1/4 cup of white vinegar, which will accelerate the coagulation of the egg white. Bring to a boil. When the water boils, turn on low heat. Before putting each egg in, make the water swell so the white will envelop the yolk. Let cook for 3 minutes. Then take them out and put them in the cold water to stop the cooking. Put the beef fat in the pan heated over low heat. Let them melt and lightly grill for about 4 minutes. Stir occasionally. Add the grated ginger. Stir for 1 minute. Add the onions. Turn to medium heat. Stir from time to time for 1 minute 30. Add the kombu broth, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of bonito dashi powder, 3 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 pinch of salt. Mix and let simmer over medium-low heat with a lid for 6 minutes. The onions will become melting. Add the pieces of beef. Turn to medium heat. Briefly stir. Put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. Remove the piece of kombu. Keep it to make a salad. The beef is ready. Prepare the beef bowl for each guest. Sprinkle some Shichimi. Bon appétit! The runny egg yolk will make the pieces of beef even more succulent. The beef is tender. The onions are melting. The sauce has a good taste of beef. It is rich in umami thanks to kombu seaweed and bonito dashi.
No, I don't.
Quoi?
Non, j'aime pas, c'est pas.
Ah. Moi j'aime bien.
Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.